gym that I'm in love with. And to the side of my new gym is my laundry room. And in my laundry room, my laundry detergent fell off of the shelf onto the washing machine. And from that point, I guess, exploded all over this floor. And it is gonna be just awesome to clean up. I'm staying positive because I see the fact that I wanted to clean my laundry room this weekend, and let me show you. This place is a disaster. I have stuff crammed everywhere. This is normally over here, and on the other side is chaos. And I wanted to clean it. I was going to clean it this weekend, and I'm choosing to look at this ridiculous washing detergent tub. Disaster is a problem. It's a blessing, because now there's soap on all the surfaces I was already going to clean. This floor was gross. I'm going to clean the floor. Bam, there's soap already there. And now I'm even more determined to clean this out than I was before. So you got to find those small little things in your life that are your blessings. This was a blessing. Well, we'll come in here. I got all that laundry detergent off the floor cleaned up, off the wall, off of other laundry. The amazing thing is my washer and dryer are so sparkling clean. They have not been this clean probably since I bought them. And maybe a week before the laundry thing happened, I was literally doing laundry thinking about how old my washer and dryer are, how blessed I am that they've lasted so long and I've not had any problems. The only problem I have is my line gets clogged. I need to clean it out. Not that big of a deal. I'm blessed with this washer and dryer. If you've lived without a washer and dryer like I did for so long, having one that's your own, in your own house, in your own space, it's amazing. Like, it's paid off. I did that errands thing, the Rent-A-Center thing with washer and dryers, and it's ridiculous how much you end up spending. And then they still aren't yours. Like, no matter how much money you spend, it's never paid off. But these I bought flat outright, and I love them. Okay, sorry. I went on a rant about my washer and dryer. I've got piles of holiday stuff, piles of crafting stuff I've been finding. I still have the main section of the floor I've got to do. But look at these shelves, y'all. They are looking good. I got a couple of boards that are missing. That's fine. I knew about that. But I'm like putting stuff back on my shelves, and I'm so excited about it. There's a section I can't get to because my floor pile is almost as tall as me. Here's the big reveal. You can see my floor is still a little dirty. I could probably scrub it some more and it would clean up some more. There's my sparkling washer and dryer I'm so proud of. And there's clean laundry room. Yay! Which has also become a craft space. So I've got a lot of my crafty stuff over here that I actually haven't been able to find in a long time, and I'm so happy about it. I hung some sparkly strands that are actually Christmas tree strands, but I kept them out because I love them. A Bible verse thing, my Wonder Woman cape from Six Flags, and a desk so that I can actually work on stuff. I'm super excited. I've already got one project to start. My Halloween wreath has a broken ornament on it, so I'm going to try to fix it. I am super excited and super proud of what I've accomplished this weekend. It's awesome. And it all started with that disastrous Friday morning of finding my giant jug of laundry detergent spilled. A blessing in disguise. Also had to go get another jug of laundry detergent to replace what was all over the laundry room. Thanks, Sam's. All right, y'all. Have a great start of your week. I ended my weekend off with my super goal accomplished.